Closets get out of control fast, and I hit that breaking point last year. So I actually bought and installed 5 of the most popular closet systems myself. I lived with them, loaded them down, and rearranged them more than once. Today I'm breaking down what worked, what didn't, and which really earns the title of Best Closet Systems. Product number 1: Vamevex Closet System. When I unpacked the Vamevex system, the first thing I noticed was the weight. The panels felt dense, the drawers slid smoothly, and those steel rods didn't flex in my hands. Once installed, it honestly felt like real furniture, not a flimsy kit. I loaded it with coats, dresses, bins, and even suitcases, and nothing sagged. The adjustable layout was the big win for me. I ran it in an L shape first, then reworked it into a long wall setup without buying extra parts. The side hanging rods were perfect for long dresses that usually drag the floor. Assembly took time, but the instructions were clear and everything was labeled. If you want a walk-in closet that feels built-in and can handle serious weight, this one's worth it for busy homes with growing storage. That said, not everyone needs something this heavy-duty, which brings me to a simpler option. Product number 2: Rubbermaid Configurations Deluxe Custom Closet Kit. When I handled the Rubbermaid Deluxe Kit, it felt lighter right away, but in a good, practical way. The metal wire shelves are clean, smooth, and didn't snag any clothes during setup. Installing it was way faster than the wood systems I tested. Everything mounts to the wall, and I had it up in an afternoon with basic tools. In daily use, I liked how easy it was to slide shelves and rods up or down without taking everything apart. The hanging space stayed open, so hangers didn't get stuck at joints. I used it for clothes, shoes, and even storage bins, and it handled all of it fine. It's not meant to look fancy, but it's efficient. If you want flexibility and quick installation in a reach-in or smaller walk-in closet, this system makes sense. From here, I moved back to a wood option with a different layout style. Product number 3: Aliexpress Wood Closet Organizer System. When I put together the Aliexpress Wood Closet System, it felt like a middle ground between custom and budget. The panels were solid enough, and the drawers had a nice weight once assembled. During testing, I liked the tall tower design because it forced me to organize vertically instead of piling stuff. The shelves held folded jeans and sweaters without bowing, and the hanging rods worked well for everyday clothes. I adjusted it to fit just under 8 feet, and the flexibility helped in an older closet with uneven walls. It doesn't feel as overbuilt as the Vamevex, but it also doesn't look cheap. Assembly was straightforward, though lining up the tower took patience. If you want a clean, built-in look without going full custom pricing, this is a solid pick. After using this, I wanted to try something totally open and industrial to change the overall closet vibe completely. Product number 4: Aliexpress Industrial Pipe Clothing Rack. When I mounted the Aliexpress Industrial Pipe Rack, it instantly changed the room. The metal pipes are thick, heavy, and cold to the touch, which gave me confidence right away. Once anchored into the wall, it didn't wobble at all, even after I loaded it with coats and suits. I tested it with some seriously heavy jackets, and the rods didn't bend or shift. The open design made everything visible, which actually helped me stop overbuying clothes. I tried both the L shape and straight layout, and both felt solid. This system isn't about hiding clutter, though. You need to like the exposed, industrial look. It also works best if your walls can handle mounting hardware. If you want maximum hanging space and a bold style for a walk-in or loft, this rack delivers. After that, I went back to a more classic wire system for comparison during testing later. Product number 5: Rubbermaid Configurations Custom Closet Kit. When I set up the standard Rubbermaid Configurations kit, it felt familiar and simple. The wire shelves are lighter than wood, but they're smooth and evenly coated. Installation was quick, and I appreciated that I didn't need to cut anything. In use, it handled everyday clothes without any issues, especially shirts and lighter jackets. I liked how the rods telescope so hangers slide freely across the whole span. It's easy to rearrange, which came in handy when I switched from summer to winter clothes. This version includes fewer shelves than the deluxe kit, so storage is more basic. Still, it's reliable and low maintenance. If you want an affordable, no-stress way to organize a closet, laundry room, or pantry, this system does the job. After living with all 5, I had a clear favorite depending on space and style, which I break down right after this section for viewers curious. Alright, that's the real-world rundown. Every closet and budget is different, so check the links in the description for current prices and sizing details. If this helped you narrow things down, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which setup you're leaning toward.